That's great, Jamie. Oops. Oh. Come on. Okay, Jamie, who can walk? Let's see some walking. Ah, wowee! That was some good walking, Jamie. Yes, that's you, Jackie. Oh, no, that's Daddy's stuff. I don't think he wants you to get it. I don't think he wants you to get it, Jamie. There goes Jack, puttering around. Just puttering. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, you dropped the paper over there? Yes, that's uh-oh. No, I don't think you can get any more. Uh-oh. Are you back to crawling, Jamie?